The Middle East is on the brink. The people of the region are confronting a real danger of a devastating, full-scale conflict. Now is the time to defuse and de-escalate. Now is the time for maximum restraint.
Well, I think they're perfectly justified to think they should respond because they have been attacked. But we are urging them as friends to think with head as well as heart, to be smart as well as tough. And I think that the right thing to do is not to escalate.
We call on Iran and its proxies to cease completely the attacks. All parties should exercise maximum restraint. We also discussed the need to end the crisis in Gaza as soon as possible.
В этой связи отмечаем сигнал Тегерана о нежелании дальнейшей эскалации военных действий с Израилем. Настоятельно призываем Западный Иерусалим последовать его примеру и отказаться от практики провокационных силовых действий